Greetings, this is a video tutorial for a basic Bossa Nova finger-picking pattern, which sounds like this. It's a two-bar pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first thing to notice is that there's a top part and a bottom part. The bottom part is played with the thumb. On the uke, I'm using the thumb on string number 4. And it's keeping steady half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The top part is a combination of index, middle, and ring fingers, each playing third string, second string, first string. And they're plucking those three strings together like this. So the pattern is short, long, long, short. Short, long, short, long, short. Short, long, short, long, short. So when you put them together, they sound like this. As far as the way the top part and the bottom part interact, on the downbeat of the first measure, they're all together, and then the top. So it's together, top, thumb, 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 together, top, thumb, 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 together, top, thumb, thumb, thumb. Then if we add the next part in there, and then adding the whole thing. Together, top, thumb, top, top, thumb, top, thumb, top, together, top, thumb, top, top, thumb, top, thumb, top, together.